Hey folks, welcome to Aunt Sandy's Kitchen. Today we are going to be making Crockpot baby back ribs. They're real easy to do. If the weather's bad or you don't have a smoker or anything like that, this is ideal way to do them. And all we did was sprinkle it with some hickory liquid smoke, and then rubbed it in good, and then we put that Worcestershire sauce on there, rubbed it in, and then we made our own. You take a rub that you like and sprinkle it real good over the top and rub that in good and let it sit for about 10-15 minutes so it'll marinate. And then we're going to put it in the crock pot. At the beginning, I forgot to put that you put a half a cup of water in the crock pot and turn it on high. You want to get it hot before you put them in there. And you kind of lay them down, standing up around, and then you're going to cook them for 2.5 hours. Our ribs have cooked for 2.5 hours to 3, and we took all the grease out of it, and now we're going to pour barbecue sauce all over the top. Then after that, we're going to let them cook another hour on high. I've taken the ribs out of the slow cooker, and we're going to baste them with some more barbecue sauce. We'll get that done. These look delicious. I've got my broiler on. After we baste these, we're going to put them under the broiler for just a couple of minutes, not much. Keep your eye on them. It won't take long. I'm going to put them under the broiler. The ribs are out of the oven. It was in there, I guess, less than 2 minutes until they were hot and bubbly and caramelized. And they look delicious. We're going to have a few of them as soon as they cool down. Well, they're going to burn my mouth if I try one now. Usually we have baked beans, potato salad, and slaw. Down in the comments, let me know what you like to have with your ribs. There is a link in the description to check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's merchandise, as well as any affiliate links that I may have. Thank you for watching my videos, and as always, God bless.